And to that end, to meet this demand, Dan, I know we've spoken before, obviously constraint on resources isn't like, people, hiring, all of that. How are you handling the needs and the challenges to deliver, really?
Well, it is an ongoing challenge. I think in every industry, as you guys we were talking about before, that have constraints as well. So we work closely with a number of training providers. So we don't have a training business ourselves. We'd rather work with, a multitude of different providers and let them do what they do and do it really well. And then we bring the people in for further training and development. I'd rather bring a new person in with good attitude that we can train up than try and take someone who's bouncing around everywhere and is just looking for the extra 50 cents an hour. Yep. We want to be able to build a good culture of good people. Our job, from an AVADA perspective, as I've said before to all the guys, is that our job is to make it easier for the general manager to run his business. And his job is then to work for his managers below him to ultimately, our job is to make it easier for the traffic controller on the road and for the customer. Yep. And so if we're doing that, we'll naturally build, we'll naturally grow. But we've got to make it a good environment. As I said previously, the problem is, from the traffic controller's perspective, is they're undervalued. And that's across the board. They're undervalued for the importance of the work they do. So from our business's point of view, and when it's a big ship to turn around, psychologically, but we've got to be able to get it to understand that the traffic controller is the most important person in our business. Because if we don't have them and we don't have safety, we don't have customers. If we don't have them and customers, we've got no business and we haven't got a job.